And I do crazy stuff with FPV drones. This is a DJI Avata 2 FPV drone song. Put your goggles on and send it up in the air. We're gonna fly all day long. We're gonna send it like we just don't care. Let's go! Put your FPV up in the air. We're gonna fly all day long. We're gonna send it like we just don't care. This is a special song. We're flying through the air. We're gonna FPV all day long. We're gonna FPV like we just don't care. Turning, feeling the rush in the sky. There's no need to hush. Drone flying free, taking me where I wanna be. Through the clouds in the open air, FPV beyond compare. When the sun comes up, that's when we come alive. And when the sun shines, we're gonna put that Which propellers do you use on your DJI Avata 2? No matter which props you are using, the original stock, master air screw, or HQ props. The HQ props actually tamed the Avata for me. What about you? The Avata isn't just a drone, it's pure fun. By far the most fun FPV drone to fly. It gives you the feeling of being a fighter pilot, pretending and having fun with every freestyle move. There's nothing better than the adrenaline rush of pushing it fast and low, licking the grass and weaving under trees. For me, that's the most fun to do. So what about you? This is a drone song. We're flying through the air. We're gonna FPV all day long. The Avata gives you the feeling of being a fighter pilot, pretending and having fun. Pretending and having fun. At the beginning, when I was learning, manual mode was hard. It wasn't just hard, it was a straight up reality check. It broke my ego and made me humble. I am like, why did I spend this much money to feel this stupid? Why? Tell me why. Thanks for watching. Please, don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have questions, just comment it down below on the comment section. See you on the next video.